welcome back to Ingenio Designs. Today I'm going to share with you guys a very easy, interesting and also a highly affordable IKEA DIY hack. I bought this metal shelf from IKEA. It's called Hylas. It's a very cheap €8 shelf. It comes with 4 legs, 3 shelves and nails to connect it together. I started with spray painting. I used a shimmery golden color spray paint. Some quick tips for spray painting. Start with shaking the bottle really well, like for around 2 to 3 minutes. Spray the paint from a good distance so that it doesn't collect on one part of the product that you are spraying. So my idea of shelf was to make it look classy and to create a golden and marble effect. Moving on to the spray painting of the shelf, I cleaned the shelf from all the sides using a cleaning spray and a microfiber cloth. It's a good idea to remove all the dirt before you spray paint so that the color shows evenly and thick. I applied 2 to 3 coats each after one coat dries really well. This is how my shelf looks after it's complete and fully dried. Also did the nails in the same way. The legs of the shelves also look great after they are dried up. Now I move on to applying the sheets to rest of my 2 shelves. I have applied 2 kinds of sheets. One is plain baby pink color sheet which has a look of deco on wood, and the pink marble sheet. It's totally upon you how you want to do it. If you want, you can also use only one marble sheet. I measured the sheet according to my shelf's length and width, and accordingly I just cut the sheet for applying it on. Before beginning the process of applying the sheet, I clean the shelf really well so that the glue of the sheet doesn't pick up dirt, otherwise it won't stick to the surface properly. After that, I put the cut sheet on the shelf and turn it upside down. Adjust it so that the shelf is in the center from all sides. I use the paper binding clips to hold the sheet on one side. I do that so that my sheet doesn't move and is applied correctly. Now I turn it again and remove the layer that protects the glue of the main sheet. Then I start applying it alongside smoothing the sheet with a hard card. You can use something like a credit card. I do this to remove any bubbles that might come while sticking the sheet. Moving on to the sides. For sticking it on all sides, I use hot air gun. The hot air gun melts the glue behind the sheet and gives you the flexibility to stretch the sheet and put it perfectly. I keep on repeating the same process for all the sides. Extra sheet on the corner and fold the rest accordingly. You don't have to be perfect with this, just enough to make it look flat from top and the sides, because those are the parts that we'll be seeing after it completes. After the application of the pink sheet, this is how my shelf looks. It turned out to be great and I love the color. It matches perfectly with my golden marble theme. Moving on to the last shelf, I applied the light pink marble pattern sheet. I applied it in the same way, following the same process. After doing all the shelves and its parts, I joined it together. It turned out to be amazing. I made 3 of those to keep all my art and DIY stuff. Let me know in the comment sections below if you like this DIY. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching till the end and we'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.